That's how important the rice cooker. You can do so much in that.
Yeah. And high tech. You can see what's there without opening it.
You don't need to knock knock.
You don't need to knock knock.
It's yummy enough. Then
It's
other one. No.
Guten Appetit. He's full now.
This one? This one? Really like this, oh, but it's not gonna fit in our kitchen.
Ooh. Cook
Here's, you want the Starbucks one? Come on, Francene. Mayor is not happy because I changed the color of the kitchen. He looks like he lost.
Ja, ich will diese alte Leute.
Pa, you don't like this, Pa? In the wall, Pa?
Maybe the tiles you have to do yourself, like we did in our kitchen.
Okay, what was that? You want it black? I got it in gold handle. Hala pa, cook mal here, Pa. It's a full house. Come here. It's a kitchen here. Kitchen. And there's a living room, Pa.
That's cool. I'm gonna stay here.
And here's the bedroom, Pa.
Will they notice me if I fall asleep?
Of course, they're gonna check all.
Switch off the light.
No. Then come here, Pa. Pa, come here.
Look at the
Wow.
cabinets. That's what you need for your
Bag.
Gucci bag.
Gucci bag.
Yeah, look at that.
No, I need that. Yeah, I need that for my IKEA bag. Aldi bags. Mata. Okay.
Are you okay?
Pa, this big pa of apartment or house we gonna have together when we're old, I don't mind. No? Come here, Pa, come here. When it's just me and Frank, this kind of big house, Pa, is okay for me, Pa, Uda? Are you be fine?
I'd be fine with that. But how are you going to do that? Where are you going to do that? In Philippines? Christmas tree, we're going to get one.
Yeah.
Sure.
Small one. We don't need any more a big Christmas tree then. We give the Christmas tree to the kids. Something like this, but the gift still big is fine. Okay?
Hello, no spying, please.
This is the bathroom and toilet in that house. And then, hello pa. That tree should make an inspiration. It's just the two of us. It's okay, oy. No? Don't need a big house when that is only the two of us. Udah?
I I'm German. I'm big. I like to have it.
They show them again.
Yeah, here, Kalle has that in his office, that heater.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's from IKEA. It's the same. I forgot what it
Yeah,
looks like, but,
but-
it's from IKEA.
But the electrician said that this is not good.
Willst du auch in dem Ding? Fleisch? Gibt es Fleisch? Es ist lecker.
Mama.
Yeah?
Kaka.
Mm-hmm. Not... But brother is still eating. Really, brother is really eating.
Nanguga.
He wants more chicken. That, no, he cannot have that. Take out the unod dai din ko ang kuantay. Kaon pag itaon siya. Hmm?
Heiß.
Lang.
Really need.
Aber zu Hause nicht.
Yeah.
It's just...
Ich meine, alte Mann.
Alle.
No refill. Francis was looking at you. Hi guys! We are eating in McDonald's guys. Kasi doon rice cooker lang yung dala ko. Your coffee here? Wala?
At the time, I don't know. I don't remember anymore. But there was €1 burger.
I remember I ordered €1 coffee I think. Hindi, basta €1 lang yung ginastos ko then. Dark pa yun kasi early shift ako then si Frank is night shift. So, wala pa siya nakauli. So, ako lang sa bahay. This is exactly where I see. First customer, wala pang COVID. Having my coffee here. The same as Hi guys. Nandito kami sa aming malilipatan. Tapos, tingnan nyo. Nagsuga lang sa amiyana. Gawa kami ng tent dyan. Dyan kami matutulog guys. Para kami nag-camping dito. Ito pala yung living room.
doesn't like camping, so we're gonna do it indoor. This time she has to because
Indoor.
cold otherwise.
Indoor camping. Ito, living room to siya guys. Living room. And then, ito yung dining area. So, Francis, stop it. So, lagay kami ng tent dyan na malaki. Dyan kami matutulog. Para at least warm. And parang secure ba? Francis, stay here.
Francis is really excited.
Yeah. Francis, you cannot do that. Francis, nee, don't put your finger there. Madilim pa dito guys kasi walang light. Ayan madilim. Nag-camping mo na yung figure.
Just leave it like this. So because this keeps it warm.
Francine, leave that there. Meron siyang ano. Yeah, the bowl is there. Ito pala yung kusina, guys. Madilim man siya, guys, kasi wala suga. Tingnan niyo ang kusina, walang laman. Kailangan namin i-repaint. At saka kailangan namin bumili ng kusina. Wala talaga, oh. Bukas ko na ipapakita pa sa inyo ng umaga. So, this will be our new kitchen. Maliit lang siya. Mag-house tour tayo bukas, guys. Empty house tour. Diba? Solve ang aming camping site. Herbs FrauJene namin. Are we gonna fit all here?
Yeah.
Nein. Franz muss draußen bleiben. Mit dem Kleinen war.
There's still one more, right? One more sleeping bag?
No, there's 3 of them inside.
Yeah? This one, small one I've seen.
Inside there. Have a look. Any light?
You have to be normal, I think, to have light.
Is that normal?
Wait.
It's okay.
Sa cheese.
Okay. So we're gonna stay outside. We sleep here on the wooden floor.
I thought there's one more.
No, there's 3 of them.
Yeah? Francine, where's the head part gonna be?
Here. No, here.
No, da.
No, we stay here on the head part. Because I need to get out in the
Yeah,
morning.
it should be there.
No.
Why? It's so awkward when you go out.
So you can see when somebody's coming at night.
Nein.
You're gonna close the door. Can you close the window? Come here.
Ja, damit das sehr
What it is, what we have to do.
Hindi manghatag. Francis, give Ate Ella, Francis. Give Ate Ella. Nam nam. Give. Give. But ninyo. Di manghatag. Ay, luya sa duwa. Di tag. Eat bread there to ka. Francis, give Ate Ella, Francis. Hi guys! Dito tayo sa hallway, sa taas. Sariling sikap kaming dalawang Ella.
Wedding gusto ko.
Kahapon pa kami nagtinatanggal namin yung wallpaper. Tapos, ano to siya ni si Francis doon. Hi! Hi! Yeah, hide there, hide. Diyan lang muna sila. Yeah, John, you will stay there. Tinatanggal namin yung wallpaper, tapos i-change kasi namin, tapos si Frank sa sandpaper nito, tapos siya mag-paint. Kasi nasa work din siya guys, so para mas madali. Ayun, so andito tayo sa taas. Ganito siya. Mayroong 4 rooms dito, which is good for everybody. For now, magkod sa amin. Tingnan niyo si Ella guys. Good for more. Tinatanggal namin yung wallpaper. This is Tuesday today. Our second day, third day here. Second day, second night. Third night mamaya. Second day. Kasi dumating kami dito Sunday night. Yeah! Nandun sila. Madami kasing kailangan i-change dito guys. Ang floor din i-change namin. Guys. Maniud to ta guys. Ito yung niluto ko. Pork noodles. Lagyan ko ng leftover na manok. Dito lang kami kakain. Yesterday kasi nagluto ako ng rice dito at may sobrang lechon manok. Isagol lang ko siya sa soup. Tapos rice. Leftover kahapon. Hatian namin yan. And then sold. Ayan sila. Survival yun ni guys. Kain. Ay dong, sit down dong ha. Watch out dong ha. Hinit dong. Hot. Hey, come on. Should I help you a bit? Earlier, I showed them too what I cook for lunch.
Yeah.
One day, still space.
Yeah, there's still space, but there's too much water in there. You have to put water away, actually.
I'm gonna put the water away anyway. I just want the pasta cooked, so it's not gonna be cooked really in the sauce.
So she's doing pasta in a rice cooker.
Yeah. That's how important the rice cooker. You can do so much on that. Your microwave? Nah, cannot cook like that. You said microwave is important.
Yeah, in microwave you can put also water in it and together with.
No, yeah, but you cannot cook like this, that's like fresh.
So what do you think of our kitchen, guys? And you want to see our fridge? We have a huge fridge. Wait, I'll show you. That fridge is the biggest fridge you have ever seen. But we don't have much stuff there. That's our fridge. Yeah. And high tech. You can see what's there without opening it.
You don't need to knock knock.
You don't need to knock knock.
Yeah.
Okay, they're calling me. Yeah, so Francis and Francine were showering or having a bath, so I just dried them. In the meantime, our meal looks good. I like that.
Wait.
Wo sollst du aufräumen?
Wait, Francine, not that we're gonna get the sauce. Hot Francine.
Francine.
Good and can you open the slug pan?
Schlagsahne.
Yeah. And give me.
You don't need that, you don't need to make it, put that in there. This is not going to work. If you open that, I think this is not going to work. You don't have enough space to really cook that, make a sauce out of that. That sauce is already ready to eat.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Give me cheese.
Look at them, eh? You cannot leave them alone here.
So I want this
Yeah, take it like that. Good. Don't try using a spoon on a grape. Yeah. Look at them, eh?
Filipina always finds way, no? Now,
Schlagsahne jetzt? 3.
Dry? Give me another 2.
Warte,
It's not still open. There's no salt on this. No, give me another 2. There's no salt on this, so we will use the cheese as well. I have salt there, but I will use the cheese too. Thank you. Yummy. And that stays warm, like that, Pa?
das ist gut.
That stays warm. It's not cooking, just warm. And we can actually go shower if you want to shower.
Sag dass du das als letztes tust.
Where's the towel now? Did you put that in the heater? We have to wait until that. We call you not to bring the towel to us, so at least it's gonna dry a bit back. Huh? They have?
Wann bin ich ein Diener geworden?
Huh?
Na, das ist schon lange.
Schon lange.
Das ist schon lange.
Now, this is gonna be yummy. I would put
Schlagsahne?
no, because there's no space.
Doch.
There is actually.
You won't be able, it won't, I cannot imagine this is going to work.
It is gonna work. The
The cheese
pasta.
is not going to melt the proper way.
Baby.
It's going to be also lumpy.
Anyway, we're gonna mix that later. Don't underestimate my. And this stays warm there. And anyway, the pasta is already.
How much I had to fight with you in the shop for you to get that pasta and put that together
Because
with
I
the sauce
that-
ready to eat. You
The
didn't want to do that.
how do you call that? Yeah, it is gonna work. How do you call that? The spaghetti won't work in this pasta in this rice cooker. Okay.
That's okay.
Now you can throw all away that thing there. Yeah, this is yummy. See? You get
If it's going to be like flowery taste, like, then we
What?
know.
what flour?
Creamy.
No, the pasta is already done. I cook it first in the water.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said to you. Cook the pasta first. Just let that be in hot water. Be ready. Add the sauce,
This one.
but don't add anything else like cheese, cream.
Baby,
I wonder what that's going to be like.
this is yummy. Don't
Okay.
believe me. Come on, baby, shower.
Okay. We won't show that on video.
Francis? Sit down with Papa. There's nothing. There's nothing.
Francis, come here.
She's in the hole.
Come on, you eat something.
Come here.
But he wants to hold the plate himself.
Don't eat before the food is cold. So this is what looks like good appetite. It's yummy enough? Is it?
It's mealy,
What?
floury.
Floury? Put that away. Come here. Hi guys. So guess what I luto? Warm food. Rice. And then uy ni kuan ang ato ang camera. Steam. Nag-steam wait. And mushroom, chicken. O diba? Niluto ko lang yan lahat sa rice cooker. Francis and Frank. Papa, eating time pa na. Natulog na si Francine. Para talaga kaming nag-camping dito eh. Yan. Kain tayo. Guten Appetit. Thank you Lord for the warm food. O diba? Kaluto gyapon warm food. Just for the rice cooker. Oh, grabe. Banggiitang rice cooker. Kain na kami guys kasi lalamig na to. Hi guys, nasa hard kami. Hanap kami ng table. Ito yung gusto ko. Gusto ko sana yung darker color pero wala sila eh. Gusto ko yung kasi thick dito.
Ja, ja. Und hier haben sie eine massive Platte. Sollte mal was sein, können Sie auch hier mal drüber arbeiten.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Okay, sollen wir den so aufschreiben? Ich guck mal, wie lange die Lieferzeit wäre. Ob wir den vielleicht...
Wide angle. So we're taking this guys. So nandito pala kami sa furniture hard deck. I like this one. Francis is with us only. The X so heavy. The halapader is ikuan pa na. Don't forget. There is such thing that connects together. Did you see that? Like there's a screw.
I know that.
Yeah. So heavy. This is good so the kids cannot hindi matarog. And I like it's perfect the size I think. You think?
And we can,
Varnish?
after years we can
My
put another...
my brother is doing that now. We are doing that at home. Since we have a wooden furnitures, we are also varnishing.
Yeah. Once a year. So.
Yeah. And us we varnish only when it looks so old. And this is lasting then. So heavy, I cannot even lift it eh. First, ito yung choices namin eh. Ayaw kasi namin ng ganito. Una mga gaps guys kasi musulod ang kanon dra eh. How was that? kaming furnitures. Bumili kasi kami ng lights. Tapos nakakita ko ng magandang furniture. It's nice. This one also is nice, oh. Kaso mayroong mga gaps ng good. Pag maglinis ka nito, ang hirap ba. Ang old table namin, ganito yung kulay. Oh, okay, we go. Purado po ng akong bugoy dayo. Si Francene na iwan sa bahay with Ella, guys. Masaligan naman good to si Ella. Kasi si Francis may to kay naka trolley, hindi ito mag-iyak-iyak. Ayan. So final na talaga to. Gusto namin ng table na stable talaga ba. Maganda sana din to, oh. Okay, we go to Papa. We go back to Papa. Actually, nalibot na namin to dito kanina. Wrong man, oy. Gisapot man ni, oy. Ha, gigutom na guro na. Hindi pa kasi kami kumain. We go buy nam-nam, okay? 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 We buy nam-nam, okay? Okay? Okay, we go to Papa. We buy nam-nam. Para ka talaga kami nagsimula sa 80% rebate of Alip Tipish. 80% Tipish. Tipish. Maganda din to, oh, pero maliit to eh. This is also nice. Pero gusto ko to, antique ba? Baga kayo guys, hindi talaga to ma-irog sa mga bata. Bate ma? Ay, ito din, oh. Bugat din to, oh. Bugat din to. Wala, bugat din ito. It's also nice. Pero maganda to. 20 euros more. Bugat talaga. What's wrong, oy? You cannot go there. Hadlok mo. Okay, we go there. We go to Papa. We tell Papa we buy nam na. Suroy na to ning kigol kay muhilak man guys. Iiyak yun siya. Muiyak yun siya. Ay, nindot po din, oh. Kaso ayaw ko ng ganito. Ayaw na namin ng ganito. Ganito kasi yung aming table ngayon. Musuksok ang mga mumuhugaw dira. Musuksok siya, eh. Nanipis man ni Uma daw. Nipis sakit ni mabangga ani sa edge. Kaya gusto ko yun kasi antique. Maganda yun. Ang si Frau. Come here. So, come here. Mayor is looking for switches, guys.
Those ones. Those ones. The switches, those ones.
Francis, no. Leave that, leave that.
And that's the list that we have, what we need. Made drawings of what switches we have. All these. And that one I'm now on it. 6 we need. And I got 6 switches with cover. Frames I need.
So, hanap sila ng switches kasi mag-change namin ng ang switches dun, guys. Kasi ang luma na niya.
Try the frames from this.
Okay?
No, you're
Ang
also.
lights dito, guys. Hanap kami ng lights for dining. Meron na kaming napili, eh. Makikita niyo siya sa bagong bahay, guys. Parang siyang ganito. Silver. Parang siyang ganyan. Parang ganito. Ganyan. Pero 4 lang siya. 4.